This is level 2 meditation plus technology. Let's start with this man sitting here. He is meditating with Mindvalley apps, but he wants to be connected with everyone who is meditating using same apps with same journal at that instant around the world. So this is the look of the app like he is using. These are the number of users, different users sitting around the whole world meditating using the Mindvalley apps, and this is the number of users, online users present at that time. So this is the look of the app, you can see. So there are number of users online. Another benefit of this is that every day you can set a time like online hangout. So you alone can sit in your room or home and meditate with the whole world anytime, any place you want. So this will also increase the frequency of the use of the app. And after finishing the meditation or using that app, everyone can share their feelings around the whole world. You can see that all people are connected by using like a polygon. That to receive anything in universe, you have to feel that you are having that in reality. If you just believe intellectually but have no corresponding feelings underneath that, you don't have necessarily power to manifest that. So you have to really feel that. So my model helps to generate feelings about your thoughts. So this is basically, you can see this is the level 3, and suppose this is a universe, net of universe, and you are meditating over here, and these are all these green colors and this yellow colors, these are all thoughts around you. And for what my model states that it's a interface. Suppose it's like it can be Google Glass or 3D glass or any type of glass which will project, like when you meditate using Mindvalley apps or any kind of app, any kind of music. So around that you will also feel that, you will also see all your thoughts and in videos, in form of videos or pictures, any kind of thing, so that you can relate to you that I am having Lamborghini car, I am riding or I am driving Ferrari car, anything. So these are all thoughts basically which will help to generate your feelings. This is basically the physical model of level 3 meditation plus technology. So you can see different LEDs in the space and the man sitting in the middle. These LEDs represents different thoughts in space. It may be in video format or image format. Suppose this man sitting in the middle is meditating using Mindvalley apps, and so I add that for visualizing and feeling the thoughts he wants to achieve in life. He is using an interface like Google Glass or projector or any 3D glass kind of thing, which will help him to imagine that he is really achieving his goals. And this is basically mixing auditory power and the power of seeing or visualizing is equal to feelings. I mean A plus V is equal to F. I mean auditory plus visualizing is equal to feelings. This is the night vision of physical model 3. This is level 4 meditation plus technology. To generate the feelings of your dreams and desire, I have added a point called motion. Suppose this man is doing this one, This man is doing a meditation using Mindvalley app and visualizing his dreams and thoughts by using any interface as stored in level 3 like Google Glass or in projector. So now we add a vibratory motion to his seat or make him feel that he is really driving his own dream car by changing his surrounding. It's like 4D environment. This is the glass which make him see only the picture he wants to see, or you can see the roller. These are the rollers. These are the rollers which is moving around the region of his spinal cord to make him feel that the flow of energy. So basically it's all about motion plus feelings plus thoughts, so that to create a all-round development.